لأنه شركة ايرباص عندها هدف كثير كبير إنه نعمل أسرع طيارة وأسرع طيارة نقدر ننقل من محل لمحل.
شو اسمه؟ لا أتذكر الوايرات.
one rotation 100. بلشنا يمشي عملنا له داون ظبط لهون برجع بنتقل لتاني موف تاني موف. هلا اذا بدي ابرمه على اليسار مين برمي فينا نبرمه اي موتور بيبرم؟ تذكروا حكينا عن الايربلين بكون هيك وقت موتور بيمشي موتور تاني تبرم مضبوط نفس المبدا.
You guys, Dana, what have you enjoyed most about Little Engineers today?
Today I have enjoyed doing fixing the pieces of the robot together, and I like putting them on, downloading them on the robot, and then moving them in the direction of the map.
And what about you? So what have you most enjoyed today?
Fixing the robot was the best because we had a little hard time, but it was the best.
Okay, yeah, good. Have you learned, Dana, what have you learned from today?
I have learned that even though we're small, we can start advocating for our dream and anything.
And what is your dream when you grow up?
I was going to be a doctor, but from this workshop, I decided that I would be an engineer.
Oh wow, so the Little Engineers has really inspired you to... what is it you like about science and engineering?
I like that when you can create anything and design it the way you would like to. Like for example, the airplane is really invented, and I think that's something nice to do.
And what about you? So what would you like to do when you grow up?
The two best things I want to be a scientist.
So you also like engineering. What do you like?